CARDAMOM, cardamom. QUESTION, question. CALCULATOR, calculator.
Hello everyone!
Hello everyone.
Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will share few of the most commonly misspelled English words. Today, I will speak some English word in front of Adhya and will check she is being able to spell words correctly or not. So let's start the video. So Adhya, are you ready for spell the words?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, alright. So your first word is knowledge.
Okay. KNOWLEDGE, knowledge.
That's right. Good start. Now move on to the next word, which is remember.
Remember, I know.
Tell me.
Okay. REMEMBER, remember.
Very good. Good remembering. Now it's the turn of the next word, which is cardamom.
Yes, I know. It is a spice name.
Yes. Tell me the spelling.
CARDAMOM, cardamom.
Excellent. You figured that out very quickly. Adhya, are you ready for the next word?
Yes.
Well, I am here to ask you, but you tell me the spelling of question, which is your next word.
Okay. QUESTION, question.
Yes, you are right. Okay, so next word is oyster.
Okay. OYSTER, oyster.
Very good. You are on a right track. Now, listen the next word carefully. It is a thing which you like the most. It is chocolate.
Yes, I love chocolate. I know the spelling of the chocolate. Yeah. CHOCOLATE, chocolate.
That's right. You are so good. I'm so excited for the next word. That is daughter.
Okay. DAUGHTER, daughter.
Right answer. I'm proud of you, my daughter. Okay, move on. And the next word is address.
Okay, address. AGGRESS, address.
Exactly right. Now tell us the spelling of abdomen.
Okay, abdomen. ABDOMEN, abdomen.
Superb. Next word is calculator. Is it hard for you?
No, I know this word. CALCULATOR, calculator.
You are very good at this. Now tell us the spelling of opposite.
Opposite, okay. OPPOSITE, opposite.
Now tell me the spelling of together.
Together, okay. TOGEPHER, together.
Absolutely right. Okay, the next word is shoulder.
Okay, I know the spelling of shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder.
Exactly right. You are doing great. Okay, move on to the next word, which is lollipop.
Okay. L-O-L-L-I-P-O-P. Lollipop.
Oh, after this you will definitely got some lollipop.
Thank you.
Okay, now tell me the spelling of spinach.
Okay. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach.
Great, right answer. Your next word is pillow.
Okay. P-I-L-L-O-W. Pillow.
Right, you are so smart. Alright, now tell us the spelling of tongue.
Okay. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue.
Right, you remembered all the words. Adhya, do you know the spelling of kitchen?
Yes, I know.
Tell us.
K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Okay, now tell us the spelling of saliva.
Okay.
Tell us.
Okay. S-A-L-I-V-A. Saliva.
Right answer. Very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, now we come to the last word for now is parents.
Okay. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents.
Right answer. Clapping for my love.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's all for today. Hope this video will helpful for you and your kids. And if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe our channel for more such informative videos for kids. Till then,
Bye.